For today's definitely not authentic video, I'm doing venison and ramp tacos. As you can see here, start out with green peppers. You want to cook those down. Here I add ramps. And it looks like I added 5 or 6. You just want to add the white parts, and I left them whole, and I might have split them in half. Here I add mushroom. Mushroom, I think, gives like a meaty flavor, changes the profile a little bit, and really cuts down that venison. And I'm not the biggest fan of venison, but the mushroom helps out. Here I added the marinated venison. I used adobo sauce for this. The adobo sauce worked really well. I like adobo sauce. I put it with my chicken a lot, or I even do it with pork too, and it's really good. And that's the canned adobo sauce that you get, and I probably had some jalapenos in there too. I'm going to stir those around, coat everything evenly. Always having a high fire. There I added some broth. Let's let everything cook down. And then here I added the greens to the ramps. You want to, it's kind of like basil. I always like to say it's like basil. So you put it in there at the end. It cooks down, gives it some flavor. Here, this is some Monterey Jack cheese I threw on top, melted. Monterey Jack was a good cheese choice. A little bit of lime on top. Don't mind the blurry, unfocused camera.